Welcome to my channel. There's always a story, but I'm gonna stay focused. I'm not gonna talk too much because y'all know I love to gab. I'm gonna jump right in the video.
Wow, very surprised.
So in today's video, I'm gonna be talking about the new Fenty Beauty Slip Shine lipsticks.
Nice.
If y'all know me, you know I love lip products. So a little backstory. I was watching YouTube and Instagram and seeing everybody talk about these lipsticks. And I thought to myself, like, I don't need it. I have so many lip products. But y'all know your girl loves a juicy juice moment. I honestly didn't think these lipsticks were anything special just because it's probably another sheer, shiny lip balm lipstick situation. But it is Fenty Beauty and you know how much I love her. So I thought, you know what? I might as well do it because I can't stop thinking about it. And I had to do it.
Bad girl. Also, stop talking.
Y'all see, like I said, I wasn't gonna talk too much, but I still am.
I'm trying though.
My point. If you guys are wondering what I'm wearing on my lips right now, it's actually the Pat McGrath Luster Gloss in Flesh 6. It's literally my favorite gloss. I've talked about it in different videos. I love this color. It makes my lips look fuller, juicier.
Ooh, she's a baddie.
Anyways, this video today is not about Pat McGrath, it's about Fenty Beauty, honey. Also, can we just talk about how dark I am right now? I went to the beach the other day and your girl got dark.
Okay, but no one cares though.
Always gabbing on. Anyways, so I picked up two colors. The shades I thought would be the most easiest and versatile that would match my skin tone and complement it well is Cookies and Cocoa, shade 08, and Bubblerum, shade 09. This is what the packaging looks like. The packaging says, sheer color, full-on shine, moisture lock comfort with every swipe. So obviously I love this vibe. It's like a lip balm meets lipstick meets lip gloss.
Wow.
It's sheer, it's shiny, it's juicy, my moment. So I'm gonna take out this Pat McGrath lip gloss and get my lips ready for y'all. This is what my lips look like. Obviously super pigmented, literally brown girl problems. It looks like my lips are permanently lined with a lip liner. Anyway, so I have nothing on my lips, obviously that way you guys can see the true colors of these two lipsticks I picked up. Do you guys want me to tell you how much the products cost? Is that tacky or is that something you're interested in? You know what, in this video, I'm just gonna tell you guys it was $29 each, Canadian. I think it's a little bit more than their original lipsticks. This is what the actual packaging looks like. It's super pretty. I put too much lotion in my hands. The first color I'm going to be swatching is the Cookies and Cocoa.
This is what it looks like. Yes.
Do you guys see this? Like, do you guys see the shine? We be shining. This color, it's literally the most perfect color for every day. I can just throw it in my bag and apply it without even a mirror. It feels like a balm, but a lipstick, but a lip gloss. My lips look plump and healthy, very hydrated, very moisturized, and it tastes really good.
But why?
I feel like it tastes like a very expensive chocolate. But I mean, it's Fenty Beauty. I wouldn't expect anything else. Let me add a little bit of cork lip liner because I feel like every brown girl and auntie out there has it. And I'm gonna see what it looks like with a little bit of a lip liner.
Ooh, she cute.
I'm gonna take this off and I'm gonna put the shade Bubblerum on.
Okay.
I was a little bit nervous about this color because it looked like a little bit too much of a chocolatey brown, but we shall see. I haven't actually worn this yet. This is what Bubblerum looks like. actually love this shade. It's very bronzy, kind of a golden brown. And I think with my tan, especially right now, it looks so friggin' good.
Okay, obviously I need to have another moment.
There's actually another shade I really like. I do want to pick up. I think it's called Goji Gang or something. It's like a mauve My Lips but better color. So I'm probably gonna pick that up. Thank you, Fenty Beauty. Take my money. So my final thoughts, guys, I know we all have so many lipsticks and I probably don't need new lip products, but I am so amazed by these new Fenty Beauty Slip Shines. No, Slip Shines, not Slim Shine. Slip Shine, slippery slip. And honestly, I love glossy, natural, juicy lips, and that's exactly what it gives me. I feel like these two colors that I got are super flattering for my skin tone. So if you're close to my skin tone, darker or lighter, I think you can totally wear these lip colors without a lip liner, or you can wear a lip liner too. They feel amazing on my lips. My lips feel hydrated, juicy. I've said juicy so many times, I'm gonna stop saying juicy. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's quick review on these lip products. If you enjoy videos like this and if you want to watch more videos from me, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up, the notification bell for future videos, and comment and subscribe to my channel, especially if you're new. I would love for you to stick around and be part of the family. And if you want to see me do random things, talk about stuff that's important to me, happening either in my life or around the world, feel free to add me on Instagram. It's just Jamie P. Thank you guys again for watching my video and supporting my channel by subscribing. I will talk to you soon. Bye.